Hey guys, back here. I just wanted to make a quick video on the new blue switch strat in T1. So instead of like throwing it on the ledge like how Tass does it, you just want to go like right here. Just past the block, throw it, jump, and mash pause. And you want to attempt that on these two Goombas. So you can either just go view the normal way after this, or you can attempt it on the next few Goombas. If you get it with these guys, you'll still actually break even with not doing it, so. And if you're mashing really fast, you technically are really unlucky if you don't get it in 4. You should, on average, get it in 2 if you're mashing fast. But I'm not right now, because I'm really tired. I'm just trying to get this video. There you go. What you want to do is you want to tap right until Mario's M is fully visible, just like this. And then you can flip, and what you want to do is you want to hold down right, kind of just go down until Mario's like head is visible. Keep going down a little more. Tap left, down left, until Mario starts moving. And then what you want to do is tap left until Mario's hat is like on the edge right here. Like position 147 works really good. What you want to do is you want to pause, hold up left, unpause, then hold up right after it. Held up a little bit too fast. Works good at 149 too. And then what you want to do is you want to move a bit to... I'm gonna fall. What you want to do is you want to move a little bit to the right. You want to do this like kind of while moving. Jump and then tap up right. Or sorry, jump and tap up left when you're about to hit the ground. That way you move like about a unit or two. The reason you want to do that is so that when you push against this thing, it pushes you to 160 every time. And once you're holding up and you get this push, you can't let go of that. So hold up the whole time. Then you just want to flip like around like here. And then jump and throw the switch. That is insane. Okay, don't do that. Don't flip under the switch. That's actually funny. So yeah, don't flip under the switch. That's hilarious, holy crap. So what you want to do is you just want to flip and then hit the switch and then flip back into 3D so you can jump back and bounce. And if you get it on the first Goomba, this will save like 15 plus seconds, like 15 to 20. If you get it on the second Goomba, you'll still save about 10-ish seconds, 10 plus. If you get it on the third and fourth Goombas, you'll basically break even or lose a few seconds to not doing it. And then if you fail it, you lose 40. So that's kind of what it looks like in full. Let me just do it from the start. That way we can have a full example of doing it. Do I have input display on? Yeah, I do. Okay, cool. I want 8. Let me just save in the other room. Now we have a full example of doing it. This is what it looks like in full. So this will save the full 15 to 20 seconds. Just like this. Damn. I held up way too late. The holding up thing isn't actually too precise, so I'm kind of upset that I failed that. You can even get it when the Goomba is facing right like that, it doesn't actually matter. I guess the third one will come now too, and that's good. Dude, hurry up. Go. Tap left a little bit. Then you just want to flip when you're kind of like close to this thing. Just make sure you don't take 3D damage. He's throwing the switch. Put back into 3D, jump back in bounds, and open the door. So if you get it on the first one, like I was saying, 15 plus seconds, it's probably more like, I think if you do it really well, like 18. I think Cass can do flipless, so it'd be like 20. You get it on the second Goomba, you save a little 10 to 15, probably 10, 13, something like that. There's about 5 seconds going on the second one. You get it on the third one, you break even. You get it on the fourth one, you lose like 5 to 10 seconds. It'd probably be more like 5. I think if you get it on the third one, you'll save time still. Like, at least a few seconds. So you get it on the third one, you save a little bit of time. You get it on the fourth one, you break even or lose a bit. If you fail all 4, then you're gonna lose 40 seconds. So that's kind of where I'm at right now with the strat. I think it's probably gonna be worth it as it is, but there's still a lot of work to be done. So yeah, thanks for watching.